In this video, we'll show you how to pair up your Garmin inReach messenger to a compatible Garmin handheld or standalone device. This is the Garmin Tread. This is the version that does not have inReach embedded inside of it. So a benefit of having a standalone inReach device, you can pair up with compatible GPSs. So what we can do here, first thing we need to do is we need to check that we are in our inReach remote. So basically we need to go to our settings, and we're just going to make sure that our inReach remote is turned on. You can see the status is on. You can also have other information, device ID and verification. So we're going to go now on the device. So we should tap on our apps icon here, and we should see inReach here at the top. So we'll tap on that. And now we have our little menu here that we can start. We can check which inReach device is compatible. So we know that this works. So this is a brand new one. So let's connect now. So we need to enable our inReach remote or ANT Plus. So just a reminder that this uses the ANT Plus radio, not a Bluetooth. So we're going to tap OK. Now we're going to search for a device. So what we can do is add new. And there you go, we're connected. And you can see now that we have our messages. If you looked at the previous video, we went through messages. You can see this. Now we can go and we can compose. We can send it to our contacts. We can discard it. We have our presets. And this is where you set things up on your Garmin portal that when you're doing check-ins or your presets, you can define who you're sending that to. You can see that you can turn on tracking right here by the play button. You get your time and your distance. And of course, if you want to do an SOS, right, you can go and cancel that. So there you go, simple as that. And you can just access it through your inReach. And there you go. That is quickly how you pair up your Garmin inReach messenger to the Garmin Tread.